The oldest of the three. You said that the first time you spoke to me, and you always had to lead. You seem to have everything you need. And the days, they move easy. The waves, they don't mean as much to me as I used to believe. The days, they move easy. And the curves, when you are here, the waves, they wash away from me. To be honest, I could see it in your eyes when you kissed me, tangerine. And if all this is a dream, I wouldn't mind us drifting to sleep. Where the days, they move easy. And the waves, they don't mean as much to me as I used to believe. The days, they move easy. It occurs when you are here, the waves, they wash away from me.
Travel should take time with lots of stops, open eyes in coffee shops, and see the things you want to see, and not the ones in your travel magazine. Follow your heart, forget perfection. Those with money may try to force you in their direction, so don't look too much to what others do. And oh, for God's sakes, honey, just be yourself, be you. Be you.
no bones inside this casket, just plastic trains I played and laughed with, and the shoes I walked to school in every day. One more year to pack my assets, take down the home grown in my attic. It's almost like I'm asked to leave this place. So please, take me home. Oh, I can't start now, 'cause my heart somehow needs room to grow. Find old pictures in the basement, childhood drawings I created, looking back at things I hate to let this go. I had another heart to help me face it, a few more years and I can face it, but for now that love with her is all I'll ever know. So please, take me home. Oh, I can't start now 'cause my heart somehow, no, I can't start now 'cause my heart somehow needs room to grow. Build a home, secretly wishing things just never had to change. Meet new faces on the way, pretend I know the king of Spain. I'm the same kid there was in 7th grade. Oh, so please, take me home. I can't start now. Somehow, no, I can't start now 'cause my heart somehow, no, I can't start now 'cause my heart somehow needs room to grow.
Days, so many times, a guitar full of tunes and a mind full of rhymes, the echo from stone walls, with stories to tell, patient and quiet in a low price motel.
Up early to hit the bedroom